it isn't sumptuous on the outside and succulent on the inside, if it doesn't offer a new way to prepare an old favourite, if the flavour is just an afterthought and not the main event, if it doesn't prove that something this delicious can come from the freezer, if you don't see birds, you're eating the wrong fish.
Bird's eye.